Good afternoon. We are at the Yang property. We're going to be completing a repairability test. Be completing it on the front slope here, which is southwest. We have this damaged shingle here, and we'll do our repair test on. We'll see how it affects all the surrounding shingles. I've identified the damaged one with an X there, and then marked up all of the shingles surrounding that damaged one. I'll give you an overview of all of those surrounding shingles. I'll be using a putty knife, flat bar, roof snake, and hammer. We'll get started with the putty knife. We'll use that to unseal the top row. And we'll use the flat bar to unseal the rest of them. Now we'll start removing these nails. Alright, we got all those nails out. I'll slide that old shingle out. Show you the progress so far. Looks like we can see quite a bit of mat transfer. You can see that there. Mat transfer along there. You can see all that fiberglass showing through that shingle now. And then we should be able to see where those chunks stuck onto the bottom of these tabs here. See that there. Same thing with this one. You can see that chunk there. And so we have damages to those shingles due to that mat transfer. It's damaging the integrity of the shingle and also going to make it extremely difficult for that shingle to reseal properly. And then we'll check up here. Got quite a bit of mat transfer up here as well. See all of that there. You can see the fiberglass showing there as well. Some more mat transfer, that's real bad there. So we have mat transfer present, real bad, and as you remember before, we used the putty knife to unseal the top shingle here, Then we use that flat bar to unseal the rest of them, and we can see mat transfer along both of those shingles. So we can see there's no way to get around that mat transfer. We'll continue with the repair test though. We'll get that shingle back in, start getting some nails in there. Be using the roof snake to get some nails back in there. Alright, give you another overview here, all those surrounding shingles. I'll give you a close-up of these tabs. You can notice some minor stress fractures to those tabs there. You can feel where it's very weak, where that matting broke, which is damaging the integrity of the shingle and also affecting its water shedding capabilities. You can see where that's real bad in the corner there. Real bad there. See that there. And then I'll point out that mat transfer again. You can see that on both these shingles here now. You can see all that fiberglass showing through there. There as well. That's real bad there. Mat transfer there. Some more mat transfer. So with all of that mat transfer to all those surrounding shingles, as well as the stress fractures, I do not believe that this roof is repairable. You can see from the results here, just from repairing this one wind damaged shingle here, the homeowner is going to be left with 1, 2, 3 additionally damaged shingles. So I do not believe that repairs are feasible, as we can see that the homeowner would be left with more damaged shingles than they previously had, and that would not be indemnification. So do not believe that the roof is repairable. I'll go and chalk up all those damages and get some better pictures of those. Thank you for your time.